guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a plan with me. I'll be showing you how to decorate your very first spread in the Happy Planner. I love the Happy Planner system and have been using it for a couple of years now. And I know when I first started it was a little overwhelming and I had no idea what to do with like a big open box. But I also wanted it to be very beautiful, very decorated, but also very functional. So over the years I found my perfect style and I wanted to share it with you guys. So this video is great if you are just getting started with the Happy Planner system, or maybe you've been using it and you kind of want to spruce it up and try something new, or find the perfect style for you. I'll be breaking everything down for you guys. This video is kind of a two-parter. My first one, I shared all of the products and accessories that are available from the Happy Planner, and I felt like that video was such a great one. It had a lot of useful information that's great for people that are just getting started. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely give it a check out. I'll have it linked up above as well as in the description box below. And if you didn't know, I have a whole playlist full of Plan With Me videos, and I'll be uploading tons more. So if you're interested in this video or any of the other videos on my channel, definitely give this video a like and subscribe. So if you're interested in planning your very first spread, grab your planners and your stickers and let's get started. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to decorate on the classic Happy Planner. I also have a mini Happy Planner and I filmed a tutorial with this planner. If you're interested in seeing more videos with this planner, let me know in the comments down below and I'll definitely film some more for you guys. So one of the great things about the Happy Planner is that the sheets are removable and they're just so easy. No binders, don't have to clip them out, you just pull them out. And I'll just be planning for the week of the 13th through the 19th of August. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is kind of figure out what theme I want for the week. Sometimes I want it to be themed with something cute like florals or maybe my favorite foods, but then some weeks I just want it to be very functional and no type of theme at all. Just I have a really busy week and I just want my list and the things that I need to remember. So I'm going to use this 1234 piece sticker book. I'll just try to use as much from these two sticker books. These are the first two books that I purchased when I first got it started planning, so you guys will probably buy just one or two sticker books as well, so I'll try to keep it to a minimum. The keyword is try. So let's get started with the layout. There's many different ways you can lay out your planner. What I love about the Happy Planner is that you have 3 different boxes for each day and you can plan however way you'd like. So how I organize my planner is that I have all of my high level items at the top. This is my bulletin board. So I have birthdays, paydays, holidays. My middle section is my to-do list. So I have all of my checklists here, but also I like to put my checklist like every other day sometimes so it's not like too crowded. And on the bottom is my YouTube, blogging, social media section. Alright, so this is how I have my planner laid out, but again, you can organize it however you want. You can use it as morning, afternoon, and evening. I'll leave down below some of my favorite like Happy Planner Instagram, so that way you can check out how they have theirs laid out. But this is how I like to have mine laid out. I use the same format every single week. I find that when I move things around, it takes longer for me to find what I need. My tip would be for you to just try different formats and find which one that works and sticks for you. If you don't really care about like functionality, then of course use it however you would want. But if you really like a functional planner, then try different formats and then just stick to the one that works for you. And if it doesn't work all of a sudden, then switch it around. Alright, so now it's time to get started with the fun part. So this book also has a ton of like coordinating sheets. So if you're getting started and you don't know how to pair colors together and it's getting a little overwhelming, I highly suggest you just get one of those books. I have one, I can't find it, but it's like a color story and they have sheets that all match. They're all the same color, so it's really easy to just put stickers down and decorate and you don't have to think about it. And as soon as you get the hang of it, it's super easy to decorate. Now I want to find a weekend banner, and I think I'm going to pull this yellow one that says yay for weekends. And of course I'll leave this sticker book down below. One thing I like to do is I like to overlap stickers. Then I'm going to use my slice tool and slice it down a little bit so it's even. And then I'm going to trim off a little bit of the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to place the weekend banner down for Saturday and Sunday. See, super cute. So I want to use this black one, but because I've already used like black in this corner, I'm going to balance out the sheet by putting this black maybe on the bottom. Sometimes I like to just overlap the boxes a little bit. I love the way that that looks. So it doesn't have to go neatly in the box, but it's up to you. I'm loving this floral one right here, and I think I'm going to place it like this. Oh wait, I'll put it like this. And I want one more full box that has a quote on it. Alright, so now that I have all of my big boxes down, I'm going to get started with my sidebar. I'm going to take my white out and get rid of where it says notes. And what I want to put here is like my top 4 goals. So I'm going to find a sticker that has the word goals in it, just so I can label everything. And I have one right here that says goals, so that's perfect. And it matches like the theme. And then I'm going to take my full box right here and place that right underneath. So I'm going to use this yellow sticker. I'll place it on the side, and then I'm going to take my scissors and cut that off. And what I'm actually going to do is, I actually like to do this a lot. When it overlaps, I want to make it feel like it's like coming out of the page. So I'm going to take my ruler and just trim that off. And I can use it on another part of my spread. Alright, so now I'm going to put on my mind right here. And I think this book has some hearts in it. I think I just saw them. Yep. I'm gonna get started with Monday, and one thing I love to note is every Monday, just to make my week go off very well, I like to have a coffee Monday. So I'll grab a coffee sticker from the Planner Basics kit, and I'll just mark off my coffee Monday, and then I'll write that in too, because Coffee Monday is really important. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is add some checklists, and I'm gonna use these green ones from the Planner Basics kit. And what I normally like to do is just add checklists like every other day. And what I normally do is for Monday, I put down all of the things I need to get done. Some of those things can be done all in one day, and some of those will need to take 2 days, sometimes maybe even 3 days. But what I like to do is put all of my to-dos on Monday. Whatever doesn't get done, I move it over to Tuesday, and if it doesn't get done by Tuesday, then that means it's like a longer term goal. And then I start over with Wednesday, do the same thing for Thursday. And then for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I all have to-dos, and I'll show you how I set that up. So I'm just gonna place these green stickers down Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then I'll also put one down on Sunday. I normally just do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I think this week I will be super busy. I have a lot of stuff I need to get done. So yeah, I'm putting 4 of them down this week. I normally put down 3. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with like my daily things. Okay, so what I wanna do is I wanna put down a box right here. I'm gonna go into my Colorful Boxes kit and just find a color that I think would match, and maybe a little bit of pink, because I don't think there's yellow in this kit. So I'm gonna take this peachy color, matches the floral, and I'm just going to place that down right here. one. Perfect. This sticker, and I'll just mark it down right here, and I'll add this pay bill right here. So like I said, the top portion has all of my like major call outs for bills, birthdays, all of that. I put that up here. And what I want to do is I want to overlay these, but I want to make sure it has enough room and you can see everything. So I'm just going to cut this floral sticker in half. I'm going to overlay this sticker like that. So it looks like it's just like a big flower. I also get paid on the 15th, so I'm going to add a green payday sticker. What I like to do is overlap them like this, but I also don't want the bottom part overlapping the bottom box. So I'm just going to trim off the bottom part of the sticker. And I'll place it down so it looks like it's coming up from that little line. Okay, I really like this one that says progress, not perfection. It has a similar color scheme to everything, so I'm going to add that to the bottom right here. I'll post that here. And then just for a decoration, I'll take this heart. Alright guys, this is the final spread. Again, my top part is my bulletin board. My middle section has all of my to-dos, and my bottom section is for my YouTube and blogging. You can use this same format for you for school or maybe for work, or if you have like a at-home business, you can use a similar format here. My sidebar has my goals I want to accomplish this week, both personal and mental, and then on my bottom I have my gratitude section. You can use whatever layout works for you. There's tons of different styles. The opportunities are endless when you have a happy planner. Hope you guys find this video useful. Let me know in the comments down below what videos you want to see from me, or if you want to see more intros to planning videos. I love filming these videos. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!